The duff layer was very, very thick, and a lot of rocks that we thought that we could make nice ride overs were too off camber to meet the trail spec. At Jake's Rocks you can see a lot of surface rock, and then when you walk through the forest you don't really see surface rock, but you know something's under the ground, as it always is. But the Elijah Trail, there was so much that we couldn't see that when we started digging came out. It's just unbelievable. Which is also a benefit because then we can use the rocks to create trail features and give it a more technical feel, which is awesome for the end product, but at the time of construction it gets pretty brutal. This phase of Elijah takes you farther out in the forest, farther away from the parking lot. The forest is really spectacular with the way the Forest Service has managed the understory. It's just beautiful out there. So as far as like specific features, I don't know if there's anything more or less spectacular than what we've already done, but just the feeling of being farther away from the parking lot, coupled with the pristine forest that you're riding through, is just gives a great feeling of being out there or adventure.